Hello, and welcome to your July product update video. Would you believe we're already halfway through the summer of amazing updates? Let's keep the momentum going and see what's in store for this month. As usual, here's the timeline for the video if you would like to skip ahead. Before we start though, let's see what you had to say about May and June's lineup. Lots of great updates to make life easier. Thanks. Continuous improvement. How do I choose? Simplifying, making it easier in many areas is great for end user experience. Thank you, dev team. Great update. And last but not least, love the recaptcha on the order forms. Thank you for the great feedback, and if you didn't get a chance to see what we released in May and June, make sure you check out the video. I think we're ready to move on to this month's update. Here are your new features. First up, we have improved the functionality of the text editing toolbar, and I'll show you how in a second. The Filebox now includes the ability to preview your images so you can know exactly what each image is. Italian has officially been added to the list of languages we offer translations for, and because we love these international improvements, we have also added currency support for the Hong Kong dollar and the Vietnamese Dong. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at these new features. The email builder just keeps getting better and better, and we are making editing a little more convenient with this new floating text editor bar. Before this update, if you had a taller text box like I have here, you could only access and see the text bar if you were at the top of that page. So if I was working down here at the bottom of my text box, I wouldn't have access to that text editor bar, which is a little inconvenient. With this brand new update, the text editor bar is first and foremost blue, but more importantly, it floats. So this way it follows you while you're editing your text, no matter how tall that text box is. And even better, once you scroll past that text box and maybe you're editing some other things in your email, it does disappear so it never gets in the way. Another huge win for the email builder. Next up, managing your images is a whole lot easier. Now, when you're looking at your company images, you have the ability to preview your images with these thumbnails over here on the left. And if you want to see the picture a little bit larger, all you have to do is select that thumbnail and there you go. So no more guessing what images are in your library with this new enhancement. Last month we shared with you that we have a complete end-to-end experience for international translation and we just needed to add more languages. Well, this month we have a new language to add. Italian is now supported, as seen on this update and unsubscribe page, and on this quote page. And just to recap, translations are available in English, French, German, Brazilian Portuguese, Spanish, and now Italian. And to close out this round of updates, we have two new currencies that we support. If you head over to e-commerce, and then settings, and then orders, in the currency locale dropdown, there are two new currencies we support. That is the Hong Kong dollar and the Vietnamese Dong. The international updates keep coming every month, so I can't wait to see what's to come in the future. We are so excited to deliver these updates every month to you, but we need to hear your feedback so we can continue to innovate and deliver updates that you want to see. So let's recap the best way to tell us your thoughts. If you want to submit feedback about one of our monthly releases, all you need to do is head on over to the Help Center. So if you hover over this little question mark, head over to the Help Center, we'll open up a separate tab. From here, we're going to hover over Support and then Release Notes. So whatever feedback, whatever monthly release you want to provide feedback on, you'll select that month. So we can choose June, for example. And then right up here at top, you're going to select this Tell Us How We Did button, which is going to open this little menu here on the left. And first thing, you're going to go ahead and rate this release from a scale of 1 to 5, which is hate it to love it. So you'll rate it there. And then provide us any other additional feedback. So it's really important you let us know your specific thoughts there. And then you end with telling us which type of user you are so we can have the best reporting and then submit. We need to hear your feedback and can't tell you enough how much your opinions and suggestions matter to us. So please make sure you take some time to tell us how we did. And in case you missed anything, here is your recap of this month's updates. Well, it's been another great month for updates, and I can't wait to share more with you. But for now, that's a wrap for your July product update.